Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Naik. Today I need to discuss about complex number. If you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you can get notification whenever I will upload a video. This topic is complex number. Before going to the topic complex number, we have to know imaginary number. Then complex number, purely real and purely imaginary number, conjugate of complex number, modulus of complex number. At first you see imaginary number. What is imaginary number? You know integer, that is plus or minus 1, 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3. These are integer. We can denote the set of integer is z. You know these numbers, okay. Then the irrational number, root 2, root 3, root 6, root 5, these numbers also you know, okay. That is denoted by q dash. Rational number, rational number you know, the number which is in the form of p by q, okay. 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 6, these numbers are the rational number, or we can say also fraction, okay. P by q, not p by q, the number which is in the form of p by q and q not equal to 0, that are the rational number. We can denote the number, the set of rational number, that is q, okay. Here a different kind of number, that is imaginary number. You see, suppose we will take x square is equal to x square plus 1 equal to 0, okay. That means x square is equal to minus 1. You see, x is equal to how much? Root over minus 1, okay. We know that square of positive real number is positive. We know square of positive real number is positive. Suppose you see square of positive real number is positive. That means square of positive real number, suppose 2 we will take, 2 square is also, or 2 square is 4, this is positive, this is positive. Again square of negative real number, you see square of negative real number, square of negative real number is also positive. Suppose I will take minus 2, this is a negative real number, I will square it, we can get 4. That means square of positive real number is positive, square of negative real number is also positive. That means if this is a different kind of number whose square is negative, you see x square is equal to minus 1, there is a different kind of number whose square is negative. What is the number? The number is x. Here x is equal to root over minus 1. We define square root of negative number as imaginary number. What is imaginary number? Square root of a negative number is called as imaginary number. Square root of, we define square root of negative number, square root of negative number is number as imaginary number. Imaginary number. Square root of negative number as imaginary number. Here minus 1, root over minus 1, I can take I, okay. The basic imaginary number are the basic imaginary number are root -1, root over -3, root over -4, like that. Here you see -1, this is the negative number, -1 is the negative number, then this is the root, that means we have to find the square root. Square root of negative number is called as imaginary number. Root over -1, root over -3, root over -4, these number are called imaginary number. How you see imaginary number? Root over -1 is equal to I. I is the imaginary number. You see root -1, that is I. -1 to the power 2, that is I square. -1 to the power 2, that is -1. Okay, root over -1 square, that is -1. I square is equal to 1. Okay, that means I square is equal to 1. IQ is equal to how much? I square into I. Okay, I square is equal to -1 into I is equal to -I. Okay, I4 is equal to how much? I square into I square is equal to -1 into -1 is equal to 1. Okay, I5 is equal to how much? I5 is equal to I to the power 5. I to the power 5 is equal to I4 into I. I4 is equal to 1 into I is equal to I. Okay, similarly we can get, here you observe, suppose I6 is equal to I4 into I square. I4 equal to 1, I square is equal to -1 is equal to -1. Okay, I7, suppose I7 is equal to I4 into IQ. I4 is equal to 1, IQ is equal to -I. Okay, is equal to -I. I8 is equal to how much? I4 into I4. I to the power 4 into I to the power 4 is equal to 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Now what you observe? You see I square is equal to I6 is equal to, similarly you can get I10 like that. Okay, similarly I is equal to I5 is equal to I9. Okay, I4 is equal to I8 is equal to I to the power 10, I to the power 12 ... Okay. Here you observe that suppose I to the power 4n given. Suppose I to the power 4n given. Value of this I to the power 4, I to the power 8, I to the power 12, I to the power 4n is equal to 1. Suppose I to the power 4 given, you see I to the power 4 is equal to 1, I to the power 8 is equal to 1. Similarly, we can get I to the power 4n is equal to 1. Okay, these number are called imaginary number. You see root over -3, I can write root over 1 into 3. Okay, is equal to root -1 into root 3 is equal to, this is equal to I. Okay, that is root 3 into I. Okay, root 4 given, root -4 given, root over -4 is equal to how much? Root over -1 into 4. Okay, root over -1 into root over 4. Okay, root over -1 into root over 4. Okay, root over -1 is I. Root 4 is equal to 2. Okay, that is root 4 is equal to plus or minus 2. Okay, and that is 2 plus or minus 2i. Okay, here you observe I into plus or minus root 2 plus or minus 2, that is plus or minus 2i. Okay, see what is complex number. You see the definition: the number which is in the form of a plus ib. ab belongs to R and root over minus 1 is equal to I is called complex number. For example, the complex number can be denoted by Z. The complex number can be denoted by Z. Denoted by Z, you write here. Z is equal to a plus ib, where a, b belongs to R. Here this number Z, this is the two part. One is A, another one is IB. A is the real part of complex number and B is the imaginary part of the complex number. You see, suppose I into something is given, that is imaginary part. Suppose some part is given, there is no I, free from I, that is real part. For example, Z is equal to 2 plus 3i, you say. 2 is the real part, this is the real part, and this is the imaginary part. The real part of complex number can be written as REZ, and the imaginary part of complex number write down, complex number you write. The imaginary part of complex number can be written as IMZ. Here REZ is equal to 2. Here REZ is equal to 2. IMZ is equal to 3. The set of all complex number complex number is given by C such that C is equal to Z, so that Z is equal to A plus IB. AB belongs to R, where AB belongs to R. Next you see purely real and purely imaginary. If REZ is equal to 0, if REZ is equal to 0 is called purely imaginary. Second, if IMZ is equal to 0 is called purely real. For example, Z is equal to REZ 0 plus 3i. Okay, here real part is equal to 0. So this number we can write Z is equal to 3i also. This number is called purely imaginary. This is purely imaginary. Example, I can write more example: 2i, 3i, 2i, minus 4i, minus 6i, 7i. These numbers are called purely imaginary. We can write this number in the form of A plus IB. This is equal to Z is equal to 0 plus I2 A plus IB. This is equal to Z is equal to 0 minus I4. This is equal to Z is equal to 0 minus I6. Again this is equal to Z is equal to 0 plus I7, like that. A plus IB form. Okay. Purely these are the purely imaginary. Then you see purely real. Suppose Z is equal to 5 given. Z is equal to 5. I can write in the form of A plus IB, that is 5 plus 0i. Okay, or I0. A plus IB I0. You see in this case 5, 7, 9, 12, minus 6. Okay, this number, in this number there is no imaginary part, only real part is given. That means imaginary part is 0. So these number are called purely real number. Okay, that is Z 7 given, that is Z is equal to 7 plus I0. Like that we can write all the number. Now we understood that the number whose real part is 0 is called purely imaginary, and the number whose imaginary part is 0, that is purely real. Next you see conjugate of complex number. The conjugate of complex number Z is denoted by Z bar, is the complex number obtained by changing the sign of imaginary part of Z. Suppose Z is equal to A plus IB given. Conjugate of Z, that is what? Z bar. Z bar is equal to A minus IB. You see, complex number, conjugate of complex number Z is denoted by Z bar, is the complex number obtained means to get, by changing the sign of imaginary part. That means IB, this is the imaginary part, here plus sign given, changing the sign means plus to minus or minus to plus. That means conjugate of z we can read as z bar is the conjugate of z is equal to a minus ib. Suppose z is equal to 2 minus 3i given, z conjugate, that is how much? Changing the sign of imaginary part. Here the imaginary part is 3 minus 3. Okay, changing the sign, here how much? Minus sign is given, so we have to change into plus sign. So z bar, that is z conjugate, is equal to 2 plus 3i. Suppose z is equal to given 4 plus 5 pi, z conjugate, that is 4 minus 5 pi. Suppose only z is equal to I given, I means z is equal to 0 plus I. Okay, conjugate of z, that is z bar, is equal to minus 0 minus I, or z bar is equal to minus I. So this is the conjugate of complex number. How we can get? Just we change the sign of imaginary part. Suppose z is equal to c plus id given, we have to find the z conjugate. How? C minus id, that means plus to minus or minus to plus. If we change the sign of imaginary part, then we can get the conjugate of complex number. Suppose z is equal to given 4 plus 5i, z bar is equal to, I can write here 4 plus 5i bar. Okay, that means z bar is equal to, this is equal to 4 minus 5i. Understood? Suppose 6 plus 7i given, conjugate of 6 plus 7i is equal to 6 minus 7i. Here one thing you observe, z is equal to, suppose 4 plus 5i given, z bar is equal to 4 minus 5i. Okay, z bar again bar is equal to 4 plus 5i. What you next, you see modulus of complex number. Let if z is equal to x plus iy, if or let z is equal to x plus iy, modulus of z can be denoted by z mod. Okay, that is x square plus y square root over. Okay, x square plus y square is a real number, root over x square plus y square is a real number. Okay, suppose we will find z bar, we can get x minus iy, conjugate of z, that is x minus iy. Here we observe that mod of z is equal to mod of z bar. Both modulus of z is equal to modulus of conjugate of z. Okay, suppose z is equal to given 3 plus 4i, modulus of z is equal to 3 square plus 4 square root over is equal to root 9 plus 16 is equal to root 25 is equal to 5. Okay, suppose z is equal to 3 minus 4i given, z mod of z is equal to how much? 3 square plus minus 4 square root over, you see 9 plus 16 root over is equal to root 25 is equal to 5. Okay, suppose z is equal to 6 minus 4i given, 6 plus 4i you say, z mod z is equal to 6 square plus 4 square root over is equal to 36 plus 16 root over is equal to 52 root over 52. Okay. So this is the modulus of complex number and it is denoted by mod z. You see here z is equal to x plus iy, z bar, that is z conjugate is equal to x plus iy. I have written mod of z is equal to mod of z conjugate. You see, you know mod of z is equal to how much? Root over x square plus y square. Mod of z bar, that is z conjugate, is equal to x square plus minus y square root over is equal to how much? X square plus y square root over. Here you see mod z is equal to root over x square plus y square. Here modulus of conjugate of z is equal to root over x square plus y square. Therefore mod of z is equal to mod of conjugate of z. This is the question I have given. Find the conjugate and a modulus of complex number. The first question is z is equal to 12 plus 5i. You have to find conjugate of z plus 5i, the complex number, and again the modulus of complex number. There are 8 questions I have given. Okay, solve it. If anywhere any problem, you comment me.